Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week, our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Pong Goooood by 9th Zoo 809. Looking at their code, we see a lot of set to blocks and if touching blocks. Try to beat the computer in this Pong game with a twist. Our next project is the Titan's Wrath Hard Mode by carstonmoyer. Looking at their code, we see when I receive blocks and when touching blocks. Try to defeat the Titan. Next project is Red Block Flappy Bird project by RickiRhino. In this text coding project, we see the use of multiple different functions and variables. Try to get red block through the obstacles in this Flappy Bird style game. Our final project is Optical Illusion by Peyton. In Peyton's code, we see forever loops and go to X and Y blocks. Try to see this optical illusion from different perspectives. Thank you for watching and sign into tynker.com for free to create your very own projects.